Hello, guys. My name is Mark, and I've been active on the forums for a while, and for since January 2019, and I've posted a few projects, like just trying to get some maintenance done or whatever, and interested in some other projects. I tried a trailer, making a trailer out of a V70 XC, and I kind of gave up on that, let people down, and I hope this whole project kind of you know makes you all feel better. And I'm sorry. Um, uh, so yeah, I'm the user Kick7 and on Matthew's Volvo site. We're about to get started on the main part of tearing down the car I've got here. It's a red 1998 Volvo V70. They call it the SE, and in some of the sedans they might refer to it as the GT. Has a sunroof and all that, but naturally aspirated engine, 5-speed manual, and all that. And I'm really excited about this. There's going to be there's going to be a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll get you all looking in the right direction. So here we are. Let's make sure that I got you guys in the right spot. Sorry for the unsteadiness. There we go. You are on a tripod, so the rest of it should be steady for y'all. So as you can see, I've done the basics. I've torn down the radiator and all that. The bumper is gone. Got the airbox out of the way. I have tried to undo the starter. Haven't been able to do that. I've started on the manifold bolts, so most of that, most of that's done. And so now we're going to start just tearing this down. My original plan was to go with a crane. I bought a crane, an engine crane, and I never got to do that because I didn't put it together for today's use. So we're going to be doing this the hard way, which is tearing the engine down while in the car, and that is to access the transmission and take out the blocks. So let's get started. So And even though I've had these for a while and been working on them for a while, I'm still a noob, I think. So it might look like I'm doing something dumb. Disregard it. I'm a noob. All right. I do have a parts container behind the cameras, so that's where I'm going to go when I disappear, likely. I will have parts available later on down the road, so y'all can watch out on Matthew's Volvo site classifieds. Man. It's been a long time since I've done one of these covers, so not really knowledgeable about taking off the cover. It might be my second time. Who knows? All right. Garbage. I'll have to do that another time. I will figure out later on, what parts I will and won't keep. I know for sure I'll be keeping the manual transmission and the engine block. Any parts that go with the manual transmission. I do plan to, I hope, to get another S70 or V70 to pull this with, the trailer. And yes, I am doing something that's out of order. I'm an amateur. Enjoy my clumsiness. I am 99% sure that we will not be getting to the separation of the transmission and engine because, as I said earlier, at least one of the 14mm starter bolts weren't rounded off. So yeah, that's a problem. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna solve that problem. And these are going straight in the trash. You can see all the oil in them. I'm not gonna worry about salvaging these. These have been in here since I bought it the first time, which was, what was that? Oh gosh, I want to say, jeez, yep, see, they're pretty old. Been in there since I bought it the first time, which was late 22. So yeah. All right. Next. I'll admit, I don't know how that comes up. I'm assuming it's the 3-point thing, but I'm not sure. Y'all are probably going to scream through the phone, "That's not how you do that!" And that's okay. It's okay. Now I'm trying to find my, here it is, 14. Gotta get these loose. I think they are loose. They are. Nice. I already got that one out, as you can see. This one over here, I don't think that's a 14. It is. It sure is. Let's see. Gosh. Man! That's a sucker right there. Jeez. Can it be any harder? Oh, it's kind of rusty. Jeez. I'm also not sure of my editing skills, so video might contain the entire process, not just stuff cut out. So, I might be going backwards with this thing. I'm not sure. it might just be that rusty. I hope I don't break my fingers again. Yeah, gone. I might have to cut that out if it comes down to it. However, since, gosh, assuming it's a 12 or it's a 13. And yes, I do get all mixed up sometimes, so. Millimeter. 13. Wherever I put the 13 is where I'll find it. It's the 12. Set down. Oh. This. Oh gosh. Lost my 13. Don't know how. Jeez. Not turning out to be a great video after all. I don't like this. I don't like this. Please forgive my lack of vote of confidence. Oh, I know where it is. Oh. Ouch! Dag! Yeah. Alright, I found my 13. So happy. Let's get in here. I'm not saving this stuff, so. Alright, now we gotta get those 14s out. And I wish I could get this hose out somehow. There's one thing that I'm especially worried about getting out, and I think it was Abscate that addressed this issue, which was the spaceship over here. It has. Hey, so this thing has. Throw that out too. That's gonna go in scrap actually. So over here, the spaceship. For you guys that don't know, the spaceship is held up by 2 bolts over here. 2 bolts to the head, and then it wraps around this elbow here, goes back over here to the far driver's side of the block of the head, and I'm assuming I'll have to use some sort of lock jaws or channel locks, whatever you call them. And I am worried about that part, so yeah. One more 14. One more 14. We are good to go. All right. Now, I can't imagine that there's another bolt holding this in. It's just like this thing that has to come up somehow, which I might just rip out with a crowbar. So just give me a moment. Give me a moment. What happened?